Hi, I'm Helen and I'm a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work the crochet puff flowers. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. The puff flowers are worked with white centres and contrasting coloured petals. With white, make a magic circle. Alternatively, you can chain 4 and slip stitch to the first chain to join. Work 10 double crochet stitches into the centre of the magic circle. Slip stitch to the first double crochet stitch to join and pull tight. With a contrasting colour, chain 3. Double treble bobble in the same stitch as the chain 3. To do this, yarn over twice. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat 3 more times. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops on your hook. Chain 3. Double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3. Double treble bobble in the next stitch. Continue around to the last stitch. Chain 3. Double crochet in the last stitch. Slip stitch to the first chain of the starting chain 3 to join. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments. See you for more videos soon. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to find a new project, book a workshop, or learn a new skill.
Yo.